A little after 3 a.m. on October 28th, I was driving down 2nd Avenue in Nashville, Tennessee, and I happened upon 2 young women, one of whom was passed out in the gutter. I was concerned for them, so I pulled over and put my window down. I asked the girl who was standing up if they were okay, if they needed any help. She indicated that their Uber was just about ready to arrive. And about that time, their Uber did pull into the parking lot directly behind them. I stuck around for a bit. I wanted to see how this was going to play out, because I do know that sometimes an Uber driver doesn't want to have to deal with an inebriated person, someone who might throw up in their car or whatever, and this girl was passed out in the gutter. Well, this driver deserves Uber Driver of the Year, if not the accolade of being called Best Uber Driver Ever. 2 thumbs up to this guy.